Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon. On this occasion, I will be presenting the topic Improving Numeracy Skill Using Domino Learning Media. The authors of these papers are myself, Nur Hikmah, and Rahman Nasir MPD. We are affiliated with Tadulako University. This research was conducted while I was participating in Campus Mengajar program at elementary school in Central Sulawesi. To begin, let's start with the introduction. In many cases, elementary school face limitation in terms of unstable internet access and a shortage of digital devices. These concerns can limit the implementation of digital technology-based learning, which is increasingly common in education today. One effort that can be made is to incorporate lesson materials into a gaming environment. One method that can be used to increase student learning activities, especially in mathematics, is by using the game-based method. There are various types of games found in our environment, and one of the games widely known by the community is the games of dominoes method. The approach in this research is descriptive qualitative. Thus, the research procedure yields descriptive data in the form of written or spoken words from individuals and observed behaviors. The, the research subjects are students of school at Palu City, Central Sulawesi. Data collection techniques in this research include observation, tests, and documentation. The data analysis technique used in this research is qualitative descriptive, which can be optioned through continuous triangulation. Result and discussion. This research is a development study on domino card media in teaching decimal number operation. The development of this learning media is expected to facilitate student learning process. The researcher found that mathematics teaching still relies on conventional methods or verbal-centered learning, which tends to make students passive and less involved in the learning process. Therefore, the availability of learning media is essential to stimulate learning activities. Based on the result of the test conducted, the following conclusion can be drawn. Students still often make mistakes when adding and subtracting numbers. 2. Students still frequently misplace tens and unit digits. 3. Some students occasionally make mistakes in placing commas in decimal numbers. 4. Some students are capable of performing calculation without using their fingers or aids. 5. Students still have difficulty understanding subtraction when smaller numbers are subtracted from larger ones. Based on observation during the learning process using domino media, it's evident that students can explain and apply mathematical concepts more effectively. They can identify patterns and relationships between numbers and describe problem solving more clearly. Observation also reveals that students actively engage in activities with domino media. They discuss, collaborate, and communicate, with their group mates while playing and solving decimal number operations on domino cards. During the use of domino media, students actively participate in the learning process. They engage in games and activities involving the use of dominoes, which makes them more focused on the material they enjoy. Students show increased motivation for mathematics during the learning process with domino media. They express greater interest in learning mathematics and feel more confident complete, in completing mathematical tasks involving domino media. The research results indicate that the use of domino media significantly improves student numeracy skills. Students become more proficient in basic mathematical operations such as addition and subtraction of decimal numbers. After participating in activities using domino media, they also become better at identifying patterns and relationships between numbers. Conclusion. Based on the research result, it can be concluded that domino card learning media are effective in improving student numeracy skills. Both in terms of media and the content, the response and understanding of the participant after using domino card learning media for decimal fractions are very positive. To conclusion, thank you for your attention, and I hope that the information shared today will contribute to the enhancement of numeracy skill in educational settings.